Hello friends, this is an introduction to the process of preparing materials for assembly and production of a C-Class model. Mercedes-Benz Work Bremen starts production of the new C-Class. All assembly processes are assembled by robots. Digital and flexible production. The assembly of the new C-Class uses state-of-the-art digital production technologies and forward-looking Industry 4.0 solutions. These makes it possible to optimize the material flow, further increase efficiency and flexibility, and further improve ergonomics for employees. For example, preloaded shopping carts are delivered to the production line by driverless transportation systems, and paper documentation is replaced by mobile devices such as tablets. Mini-PCs and Smart PDAs in accordance with the paperless factory concept. About the Mercedes-Benz plant Bremen with more than 12,500 employees. The Mercedes-Benz plant in Bremen is the largest private employer in the region. 10 models are currently being produced at the site: the Saloon, the Estate, the Coupé and the Convertible of the C-Class, the Coupé and Convertible of the E-Class, the off-road vehicle GLC, the GLC Coupé, as well as the two roadsters SLC and SL. In 2017, more than 420,000 vehicles were produced in Bremen. As the competence center for the C-Class, the Mercedes-Benz plant in Bremen directs the worldwide production of Mercedes-Benz's high-volume model range at the plants abroad in Tuscaloosa, USA, Beijing, China, and East London, South Africa. The production of the GLC is also controlled by Bremen as the main production site. Vehicles made in Bremen will cover the entire range of intelligent drives by the end of the decade, from classic combustion engines and plug-in hybrids to fuel cell and electric vehicles. The new Mercedes-Benz C-Class highlights. The new C-Class embodies sportiness in connection with emotion and intelligence. Its appearance is particularly impressive due to the further development of the sporty design with clearly drawn contours at the front and rear, new alloy wheels, and the introduction of new colors. In addition, the new C-Class offers the latest in active safety through the use of state-of-the-art driver assistance systems with cooperative support from the driver. On request, the new C-Class is available with a fully digitized instrument display with the three visually different styles: Classic, Sport, and Progressive. For the first time in this series, multi-beam LED headlamps with ultra-range high beam are available. Excellent visibility in every situation.